Next, we're going to create the grooving operation, the roughing operations. I will select this geometry and shift the start of the geometry to this and extend it. And the end over here and extend it. And then click. Make sure the empty space of the fourth operation is selected and do it. And we got some problem here. You can see the groove cutting is now starting from my geometry. That means this area here is all air cut. To solve these problems, let's reactivate the fourth operations. Click the process and we'll change this to material only, and then close and click redo. Now you can see if I select material only, the groove roughing only cut the remaining material, not the air cut. Now we're going to simulate the fourth operation, groove roughing operations. Stop, rewind, and zoom on, no zoom. And I'm going to set the stop at, set the start stop. You need to right click on this simulate, this bar here, right click and set start stop. And I'll say now I want it to stop at number 4. Apply. Okay, so let's play fast forward. Okay, now let's play by feature, step by step, the operation 4, the groove roughing process. I will zoom. Let's zoom. This is a roughing process. So after cutting, we still have a remaining stop for the finishing. Next, we're going to create a groove finishing process. And let's off the simulator. Make sure the fifth operations, the empty space is highlighted. And now I'm going to do a contour process on the groove by using a groove tool, and make sure it's OD, the settings. Now I will, because this is finishing, right? So I will use the full options and use a CSS if you want, just on it. Make sure it's cutting minus, and let's create this finishing process. Make sure the fifth operation, the empty space, is selected and is yellow color. Then I'll select the same line again. Make sure the top circle is selected and change the start, change the end, extend the start and extend the end, and do it. Next, we'll simulate the fifth operations. rewind, set the start stop at stop at number 5, apply, and fast forward. Okay, then step by step. This is how the finishing groove cutter will cut. You can see here the cutter is dragging when the tool is moving up, dragging. This is bad for the groove cutter. It might break it. Yeah, the tool might be broken. So next we're going to do something on this. Let's close the simulator. Reactivate operation number 5, double click, go to the process, and now I'm going to change this no drag. This means that I don't want the groove cutter to drag. And close, and now redo. Okay, and let's go to simulator again. Let's rewind, fast forward, and let's see. You can see now the groove cutter is cutting only plunge down. There's no dragging at all, and this is good for the groove cutter. Next, we're going to do a trading operations, OD trading, dislocations. So we need to create the first two, the fourth two. Select trade. Make sure you modify a two parameter same as mine. Next, we're going to create a trading process. Make sure the 6 operation, the empty area is selected before you create the thread. This is a thread process. Thread 2. Okay, now we're going to cut Z minus. This is style. Many style we use UN. The nominal diameter, we're going to use geometry to set this. You just select this and press alternate key. When you press alternate key on the keyboard, your mouse cursor will change from the arrow to a square box. But in this movie, I don't think you can see it. But you can see it on your software, yeah, not on the movie. So just select. Make sure you select alternate key, select this point here to update the value to nominal diameter 39, pitch is 2. The minor and the thread height is automatic set. Let's Control C to copy this value so that I can set the depth of the first cut to be time 0.3, 30% of the height, and select equal to get the actual value. Just constant cut, last cut I will put 50 micron, prefer candle cycle, RPM 500. Okay, now for the thread, you no need to select any lines, just click do it and you have the result, right? But this result may not what you want, you can see on the screen, so I need to change something. Let's put this to 0 first, and redo, and I'm going to change the starting of the thread. Again, by using the alternate key, I can capture this value, that's 0, and the ending of the thread is here, alternate key. is -30 and redo. Okay, so I will extend the front side by 2 pitch, that's 4, and maybe at the back also by maybe 1 pitch here. So redo, you can see the thread is extended. Yeah, and if you want, you can put some value here, put 4 to lift the thread tool, and the end also maybe 3. Yeah, front and end. But for this part, we're going to put 0. We're not going to lift the tool. And we also have this, the clear. You can see on the screen, the clear is very high, too high for this part, right? Actually, we no need to put so high. The nominal diameter is 39. How about we put 50? 50, we do. And now you can see the clear is lower, so that the tool no need to jump so high. That is the